Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the third Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper in the additional Tuesday. Yes, still Tuesday, October the 13th, 2020. Two Sudokus to go, a binary and a tectonic. And I've already mentioned that I dropped 4 puzzles or 3 puzzles. In this case, I have not done the 1-star Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, and tectonic number 1. Those Sudokus, you can download it below. If you click on the PDF file, you can download it and print it and do it by yourself. Solve it by yourself. If you have troubles, leave a comment. I will maybe solve them for you and upload them. But if I can hear or don't see any comments, I just continue. Yes, just continue. Alright, the third Sudoku in this additional is a binary puzzle, and this will be number 1747. Yes. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. And then we have here 3 O's. If I place the 4th O here, we still have 3 1's in a row. In this row, not allowed, one of the rules. So I cannot place the O here. I cannot place the O and there. So the O must be here. Between an O and a 1, there's always an O and a 1. So those 2 boxes can only be a 1. Alright. So we have now double 1, here and O, there and O. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. And between 2 1's comes an O. 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have now 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here and O, there and O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then I need to compare, I think. Let me see. 3 double 1 double 1 0 1 1 Yeah, the first row and that row. 1100110011 empty box, empty box. We need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Then double 1, let me see. And this row and the last row, 001100111100, empty box, empty box. We need to switch those two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Finish in 5 minutes. Yes. I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Thank you for watching and see you in a minute with the last Sudoku. Bye bye for now.